Hello YouTube. So this is the 5-month ownership review of the Yamaha YZF R3. As you can see, this is a 2016 model and I bought it in September 2016. Now today is 19th of Feb 2017. Okay, so as you see, I've clocked 5,875 kilometers on the odometer, and I've rode through the city, through the highways, and some off-roads, right from Mumbai, Goa, Gokarna, Mangalore, Hampi, Kolhapur, Daman, and you name it. Disclaimer: nobody is paying me to do this video, so I can be as honest as I want. To start off, I think this bike looks fantastic. Like the day I got it out of the showroom, it just looked like a dream come true. Sometimes I just look at it and go, wow, I own this thing. Looks, I would totally give it a 9 out of 10. The 1 point I've just taken it out for this rubbish looking mudguard that they've given. Also, let's talk about some performance. As you know, this bike is a parallel twin motor and produces about 42 PS power, approx 31 Nm torque. So that translates to real linear performance and a lot of power across the rev range. So the main thing about this bike is that it can be ridden slow. It's very relaxed on subtle inputs in the throttle and does not feel like the bike is throwing you around. Once you throttle past 5 to 6,000 RPM, the bike starts becoming the hooligan it really is. It revs all the way up to 12,500 RPM, which translates to pretty high speed for our Indian roads. The only drawback, however, seems to be the response that you get from the stock tires at this high speed and tends to reduce your high speed confidence, especially while cornering. Many owners who have switched to Pirellis or Michelins do claim that the ride is much better after replacing the stock MRFs. So performance on the stock setup, I would say 8 out of 10. Mainly because of the low response from the MRF tires. Vibrations. The bike is mostly vibe free except at about 5 to 6,000 RPM where vibrations do kick in. This mainly causes a problem if you are cruising at 100 on 6th gear. It's at 5,500 RPM. So that's a vibey spot. Ride at 90 or 120 and you have no problem. Pillion seat looks good, but it's a joke really. Comparatively hard with no grab rails and way high up. And it scares the shit out of the pillion. Yeah, I did ride pillion as well. I rode pillion for about an hour on the highway. It wasn't pleasant. Short rides are okay. Fuel economy figures. While cruising on the highway at around 100-120 kilometers per hour, if you're riding single seat, it does give you about 29 kilometers per liter. And if you're riding 2 up, it gives about 27 kilometers per liter. But now as you see, it is the complete average of my city and highway rides and it's about 18.2 kilometers per liter. Okay, so this was part 1 of the 5-month ownership review. We were able to shoot only this much that day, since our main protagonist was a total noob in front of the camera. A lot of power across the rev range. आया क्या?
तू बोलते जा ना bro.
क्या रहा मैं उसके बाद? Here, let's have a word with him. First time facing the camera, it was difficult, very, very difficult. The sun was too bright, it was shining in my eyes. I will make the part 2 video very soon. So if there are any points that you guys want me to speak about, you can let me know in the comment section below. Oh yeah, totally forgot. So globally, Yamaha has recalled the R3s for fuel tank bracket and ignition switch issue. I never faced any problem with either, but anyways, let's get it replaced. I have called the Yamaha service center and they will schedule my appointment very soon. Chal, theek hai. Part 1 is over. You should see the subscribe button on the screen somewhere. So go ahead and hit it. And hit the bell icon to get notified about the part 2 of this review. And the other 1 number videos that I make. Chal, milte rehna.